What up with you guys? You know who it is. It's your boy John Mike back again, and today I'm here with all of these keyboards and my 2021 M1 iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch, 256 gigs. That doesn't really mean anything, but it has the M1 chip in it. That is the one with the 8 gigs of RAM, 8 cores, all of that good stuff like that. And today I have 20 MIDI controllers here that I'm going to test and see if I can plug them up to this iPad and if we can get MIDI and sound and even individual sounds across all of these keyboards and see what happens. Now, in order to make this happen, I had to pick up this 20 port USB hub. It is powered. It's a powered hub, so I won't be able to show if it'll power all of these keyboards just via power. But in my 10 keyboards video, I plugged 10 of them up, 10 MIDI controllers up to my iPad Pro 2018. It was able to power all 10 of those keyboards without the use of a powered hub. I had unpowered hubs plugged up in that video, so that worked out pretty good. So I got a powered hub for this one because I couldn't find enough hubs to try to make this happen and make it make sense. So I said, let's just go with one hub that has all of the power we need. It's powered. It's got all the ports that we need. So I plugged all 20 of these keyboards via USB, and I just don't have a keyboard. I also have a little, launch pad there, but I plugged all of them via USB into this USB hub. And what we're going to do is see what happens when we plug it into the iPad and see if, for one, it responds to all of those things. All right, I've got the USB. I'm about to get ready and plug it up here, and it is plugged up. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up, let's just open up Korg module real quick, and then we're going to test to see if you get sound on all of these keyboards. So I'm going to go around here with handheld and see if we're getting sound from them. So starting here. All right. Cool. Getting sound there. Sound here. Sound here. Sound there. Sound there. Sound. Good. There. Sound. All right, coming over here. That is, it's just playing some low end chords. Cool. And then this one over here. So that's crazy. We're able to get sound from all of these keyboards, all independently are sending sound to the iPad. The iPad did not blow up. It did not explode. It didn't do one of those things like that. So I think this is really, really cool. So now the next step we're going to do is we're going to jump into an app called Aum. I'm not sure how you say it. I know it stands for Audio Unit Mixer. And I'm going to see if I can put an individual sound on each one of these keyboards. Okay, so we're here inside of the Aum app. I've done videos on this particular app a bunch of times. It's really, really dope. It's really, really cool. And it allows you to basically connect all of your keyboards to your different. It's almost like having main stage on your iPad. You know what I mean? So it's really, really cool, really, really dope. And I have set up off camera so we don't have to, go with spend a whole lot of time here showing you how to do it. If you're interested in seeing how I set this up, I actually show in my 10 keyboards video. So go watch that down in the description, up in the cards. It'll show you exactly how I set this up without me having to go back through the specifics just in this video. But I think it's really, really cool. But the way that I've set up a sound on each keyboard. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go across all these keyboards and I'm going to show you all of the different sounds that I've set up and corresponded to them inside of Aum. Okay, so I got the MKS Extreme on the Novation. I have BS16i. It's like a little marimba sound here on that. On this channel, I think I have it. Yeah, I have it on the Arturia. So we have it here. So it's another sound from there. And then here we have a harpsichord And I believe that one is on here, so we got that in there. Then we have on this section over here, we have a rock organ, which is on this keyboard. That's all B16. We got Korg module, a warm pad on this keyboard on the key step. Really, really cool. We got strings on the oxygen. All right. And then let's go over here. We got bell tower, which is on the panorama. Right. And then we have a vibraphone, some vibes on the oxygen. You know what I'm saying? And then we've got Ravenscroft loaded up on the SL. And then I've got nylon guitar, which I think is loaded up here. Yep. So keeping it moving. So I've got the accordion over here. Got the muted guitar set up on the auction, on the little slim line. We've got a mandolin, I think that's set up here. Yep. Then we've got synth brass 1, that's set up over here on the old complete control. Crazy, right? All right, let's keep it going, we're almost there. Then we've got a saw wave set up on here, and then we've got soft tine EP set up on the Kurzweil. Crazy, right? And then we've got the natural grand. I think I just kind of threw it in on this one that's not even on a stand. All that. So there you have it, 20 keyboards plugged up to the iPad Pro 2021 M1, and there's an individual sound on every one of these keyboards. So that's it. I mean, what more do you need? You can set up a simple 20 keyboard aux station using only your iPad Pro 2021. Now, I know you guys don't believe me when I tell you that this is the future. This is where things are going. I don't see a reason why within the next 5 to 10 years that you'll be seeing people come straight on stage like this, full of MIDI controllers with an iPad Pro playing aux. I would do this. I would set up an aux station. Now, this is extreme. This is 20 different MIDI controllers. Nobody's really going to be, I mean, maybe somebody would, but nobody's really going to be playing with this many keyboards on a stage. But if you got 3 or 4 and you set up an aux station and you can set up 3 or 4 different sounds on those different boards, whether you're playing mains, keys, aux, all of that stuff like that, you could easily set this up to be able to run it in a live situation. And as you can see, there hasn't been much going on in the realm of DSP or CPU usage. It's remained very low. I think it's really, really cool. I think it's really, really crazy that this is where technology has gone, and I'm looking forward to being able to showcase more stuff like this. So if this video helped you and if it blessed you and if you want to try it out yourself, let me know what you think down in the comments. Hit the like button, hit the share button, drop a comment, do all those things you do on the video. Subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I'm out. Holla at your boy.